Let us first deal with the problem South Africa is facing today and the pain that is the result. Over the past 3 decades, um, South Africa's GDP growth has been trailing the global average, highlighting the need for structural reforms, policy interventions, and enhanced economic resilience and competitiveness. South Africa's economic performance over the past 3 decades, compared to global growth trends, reflect a nation facing structural and systematic challenges. Prolonged periods of low GDP growth, high unemployment, and increasing financial stress amongst households are not just macroeconomic statistics. They are the lived reality of your clients.